As the train journey was very hectic, this time we decided to go by flight and share our experiences with you.
This is how Ryanair looks. So this is the Vienna airport and we have landed now. So this is our first flight experience from Ryanair and it was smooth.
So हम वियना पहुँचे एंड वियना से हम सीधे ट्रेन लेके साल्जबर्ग निकल गए. ट्रेन की जर्नी अराउंड 2 आवर्स की है बट इट इज़ वेरी कंफर्टेबल.
So this is our B&B for 3 days now in Salzburg and this is the room, small bed. हम लोग पहले भी B&B में रहे when we were in France, तो वहाँ पे भी कुछ ऐसा ही रूम था. And yes, that's me. And यहाँ छोटा सा स्टडी टेबल कम डाइनिंग टेबल भी है. वहाँ पे एक क्लोजेट टाइप का है जहाँ पे हेड ड्रायर दे रखा है. And this is the washroom. यहाँ पे ये है and यहाँ पे शावर है. Good. I'm not sure. यहाँ पे एक छोटा टीवी भी है. So and view तो कुछ खास नहीं है and बाकी सुबह ही मालूम पड़ेगा कैसा है. This is our hotel B&B where we are staying. So यहाँ के मैकडी में full automation है. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं मीराबल पैलेस and we have taken the public transport. So you can see how beautiful is this small garden and there's a small fountain as well. And there are places to sit and there's something more which we'll go that side and explore. This is a very nice frame here which you can click pictures and it's very good.
So it has this beautiful garden. You can even see a fountain there. So yes, we will go there. But you know, the autumn has already started, and you still see so many flowers blooming, which is so great. I thought it would be cold, but Vijit, what do you say?
No,
It's pretty hot. Also have shed here, so if you're coming with family and you're tired of the walking, you can have a seat here. And there's a lot of place nearby where you can grab some snack and just sit here, have a bite, have this beautiful location as your view, and click some good photos. Yeah.
So this is so beautiful actually. You can see they have made a walkway here just next to the garden and you can see Kajal is walking and enjoying. So we are feeling quite good here because there are trees. So this is our outfit for today.
This is the famous Mirabel Palace. So one important tip that we want to share is that not everywhere you will see written that this is a drinking water. You see the lion sculpture there. That's for drinking water. You can go there. There's a symbol there which says that it's for drinking water. So yes, look out for these options when you are in Austria, and you can get free water, and apparently the water quality in Austria is pretty good. So this is the famous log bridge after Paris. You can see it here. And this you can see, this is the Salzburg river. Normally you also get cruise here.
So you can see the logs. People have written their names and date of birth. So it's quite nice to see this.
And of course you will find a lot of people doing picnics just below this bridge. However, it's too hot right now, so I don't think you will be able to find them. But yes, it's very common. So yes, you can see this bridge. So just behind me, you can see Mozart's birthplace. Mozart was a very famous artist, and he was born here. In fact, even there is a museum inside, and I think they have kept the place as it was before. So there's an entry fee to it, but if you go, you will be able to see, how he lived, the furniture, his violin, and everything. You can still see. As you enter, you see your information about the place, and you can see that the ticket is around 13.50 euros per person. So we have come to this place for our lunch. That's a BG. And it's an Italian restaurant.
It's quite famous.
Yes, it's quite famous. It's 4.1 rating. So we are hoping to have some good food, and you can see the vibe. The vibe is very good here. So this was the place, and the food was amazing.
We had a lunch.
Yes, we had our lunch. How did you like it,
It was
Abhijit?
very good. Mine was salad, so it was very good.
Yes.
The dressing was very nice, and they put a very unique kind of sauce, which was very little, but the taste was like very
Rich.
different
Mhm.
kind of taste.
Mhm.
I thought it was made up of
Imli. Yeah.
imli and alcohol.
Yes, that's what I thought. But yes, so you can see the vibe is so good, and the waiters, the people are very nice. So definitely recommended. Check this place out.
So this is kind of city center of Salzburg, like exactly there. So we are going there now, and वहाँ से golden ball उधर ही है. वहाँ पे कुछ photos click करेंगे, and then we will go up from the funicular to the palace.
So basically, it's famous because earlier there used to be a lot of music and events around this place. You can see there's a huge area near the fountain. So they used to have a lot of events, musical plays here, and with a view of a big fountain. The fountain is certainly huge and unique with this view. Also, I mean, the cathedral, the Salzburg cathedral is very near from here, around 200 meters. So if you come here, everything's nearby. All the places are nearby. You have a shop of Manor here as well. And Manor wafers are very famous. I've personally tried them, and it's delicious. So one good thing, if you are coming here, you want to take something from Manors. So we are going to the cathedral, and you can see a lot of shops on the way where you can have some food, you can buy souvenirs, and a lot of brands as well. So yes, and I think the cable car that goes on top is also here, Abhijit.
Yeah, probably.
This is the cathedral. The entry is not free. You have to pay to get inside. And just there you have the city center. You have the Golden Globe there. And in fact, even the funicular that takes you to the top is there. So we'll be going there now, because we came last time here and we went inside. So we are not going inside today. So this is the funicular ride that we'll be taking. This is the Golden Globe and the famous chessboard. I don't know, the last time we came here there were pieces, the chess pieces, but I don't see it anymore. So probably there would be some event going on, maybe. So we'll go there on top.
So there is a restaurant as well, you can see, and this is the entry point for the funicular ride. It's Festungsbahn.
It's a very interesting and famous place. You get dressed as the Austrian people, and they'll click photos of you in in the ancient ages. So they provide everything. Okay, so you come here near the Festungsbahn, and You can see. So you get this basic version of the ticket, which costs you around 14 euros. So it started. But one, and we reached hardly a minute. Right?
Not even a minute.
Yeah. So as you reach the top, there are multiple things that you can do. There's a cafe, there's a watchtower, there's a place where you can see the views. So let's go to the viewpoint first. So you can see, you can have a coffee here, and that's something that I'm going to do for sure. Okay, you're going to love this. You can see the view here. That's the Salzburg river that you can see. And there's the golden globe there, man with the golden globe. Then there's the cathedral. And you can see the both sides of the cathedral and the whole panoramic view of the city. Plus this side of the city as well. It's so green and has some cottages. Looks so beautiful, right from a storybook. And yes, it has such a good vibe to it.
So this is another way where you can go to the chapel or church, and you can see there are so many things, and there's a museum upstairs. So this is the museum where they have written all the history, and you can see it's in all different languages. So you can see how beautiful is this, and you get to play some music as well.
Panoramic view of the city. You climb here and you get that view. Just look at this.
So this tower gives you the panoramic view of Salzburg. You just see the views, and this is the city side of the view. So here is something, a small game like we play, and you need to put the ring on the good one. And the Salzburg Zoo is quite famous for having a panda.
So we have come to the zoo here. You can hear the voice behind us. Those are the monkeys. So it costed us around 14 euros. And
Per person.
Per person, yes. And apparently there are a lot of animals here, and they also have a red panda, which I am really interested to see, and a sloth, because why not? So yes, I'll take you around. You see, I just said I wanted to see a sloth.
This is the ultimate experience. Never seen like this before.
साल्जबर्ग का ज़ू बहुत अमेजिंग था. हमें बहुत सारे एनिमल्स देखने मिले, इंक्लूडिंग रेड पैंडा. सो अगर आपके पास टाइम है तो आप ज़ू ज़रूर जाइए. So next day we went to Hallstatt, so stay tuned for our next video.